have to go and check to make sure everybody got out. Right now, we have not had any reports of any fatalities, and we don't want that. So we want to make sure we have a good account for everybody that has moved out of these areas. So citizens, even if you're staying with friends, please go in and check into those facilities. Right now, we've had 2,500 individuals who have registered in these centers, and 400 individuals are staying in these centers. So when it comes to volunteers, when it comes to prayers, we know in those centers are where we have individuals who are in need. Some of us may have friends and houses that we've been through, some of us may not have that. So in the centers, let's come together and let's be able to pray for those individuals and also provide support. We have power outages. We've had 3,800 meters that have been out. We have Mark Rose with Blue Bonnet. Mark, you want to come and talk to that situation for us, or address that situation?
As of this morning, we're working 25 outages that are actually affecting 4,338 people. As we said yesterday, we are fully aware that we have folks that are out of power that are not in the fire zone. But if a line goes into the fire zone, we cannot activate that line.
We'll go into town in a minute. See how smoky it is there.
We're aware of that. We realize that there's a much larger zone.
It's only a mile down the road.